Did you know that gardening can reduce stress by 20% and improve your mood significantly? Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing some fantastic gardening ideas for your home and tips for creating a lush green space. Gardening at home isn't just about making your surroundings look beautiful. It's also about enjoying fresh vegetables, beautiful flowers, and the joy of nurturing plants. In this video, we'll explore easy vegetable gardening, modern gardening techniques, rose plant care, and fun. Quick gardening crafts. If this is your first time on our channel, make sure to watch the full video for all the tips and ideas. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gardening videos. Let's get started on making your home garden amazing. Section 1. Vegetable gardening ideas. Did you know that growing your own vegetables can cut your grocery bill by 25%? In this section, we'll explore some fantastic vegetable gardening ideas for your home. First, let's talk about the benefits of growing vegetables at home. Not only do you get fresh organic produce, but it also promotes a healthier lifestyle, reduces stress, and even helps the environment by lowering your carbon footprint. If you're a beginner, don't worry. There are plenty of vegetables that are easy to grow. Start with tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, and bell peppers. These vegetables are hardy and forgiving, making them perfect for those new to gardening. Here are some tips to help you start your vegetable garden. 1. Choose the right location. Pick a spot that gets at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Most vegetables need a lot of sun to thrive. 2. Prepare the soil. Enrich your soil with compost or organic matter. This provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure. 3. Water consistently. Keep the soil moist, but not too wet. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy plants. 4. Select quality seeds or seedlings. Use high-quality seeds or healthy seedlings from a reliable source. 5. Manage pests naturally. Keep an eye out for pests and use natural remedies to control them. For those with limited space, one-pot gardening is a fantastic option. You can grow a variety of vegetables in pots, making it perfect for small patios, balconies, or windowsills. Here are some one-pot gardening ideas. 1. Tomatoes and basil. These plants grow well together and can be planted in the same pot. Just make sure to support the tomatoes with a stake or cage. 2. Lettuce and radishes. These quick-growing plants thrive in shallow pots and are easy to manage. 3. Peppers and onions. These vegetables grow well in larger pots and can be used together in many recipes. 4. Herb mix. Grow a mix of herbs like parsley, cilantro, and chives in a single pot for a fresh, convenient herb garden. Starting your own vegetable garden is not only rewarding, but also provides fresh, delicious produce right at your doorstep. With these tips and ideas, you'll be on your way to a thriving home garden. Section 2. Modern gardening ideas. Are you ready to take your gardening game to the next level? In this section, we'll explore the world of modern gardening techniques that will revolutionize the way you think about gardening. Imagine a garden that defies gravity, where plants grow vertically, reaching for the sky. That's just one example of the amazing modern gardening setups we'll explore today. From vertical gardens to hydroponics, modern gardening offers innovative solutions for growing plants in unconventional ways. Vertical gardens allow you to maximize space by growing plants upwards, while hydroponics eliminate the need for soil altogether, growing plants in nutrient-rich water. But what are the benefits of these modern gardening methods? Well, for starters, they save space and water. Vertical gardens make the most of limited space, while hydroponics use up to 90% less water than traditional gardening methods. Implementing these ideas in small spaces may seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. With vertical gardens, you can utilize walls, fences, or even hanging structures to create a stunning green oasis. Hydroponic systems come in all shapes and sizes, from countertop units to full-scale setups, making them perfect for any space. So, if you're ready to embrace the future of gardening and transform even the tiniest space into a lush green paradise, stick around. We've got some incredible modern gardening ideas coming your way. Section 3. Rose Plant Gardening Ideas. Have you ever wanted to add a touch of elegance and romance to your garden? Well, get ready to be captivated because in this section, we'll deeply discuss about the enchanting world of rose plant gardening. Roses have long been cherished for their beauty, fragrance, and symbolism. But did you know that they're also an excellent choice for home gardens? That's right. Roses not only add a touch of luxury to your outdoor space, but also provide a continuous display of stunning blooms throughout the growing season. Now let's talk about how to plant and care for these beautiful plants. Planting roses is relatively straightforward, but they do have specific requirements. Make sure to choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil and dig a hole that's slightly larger than the root ball. Once planted, water deeply and mulch around the base to retain moisture. Caring for rose plants involves regular watering, fertilizing, and pruning. Water deeply and regularly, especially during hot, dry weather. Feed your roses with a balanced fertilizer in the spring and again after the first flush of blooms. And don't forget to prune your roses to encourage healthy growth and abundant flowering. When it comes to choosing roses for your garden, the options are endless. There are hundreds of varieties to choose from, each with its own unique features and characteristics. From classic hybrid teas to charming floribundas and fragrant old garden roses, there's something for every garden style and preference. Despite their beauty, roses can sometimes encounter problems like pests, diseases, and environmental stress. Common issues include aphids, black spot, and powdery mildew. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll discuss how to identify and troubleshoot these common rose plant issues so you can keep your roses healthy and thriving. So, if you're ready to add a touch of timeless beauty to your garden and become a rose aficionado, stay tuned. We're about to uncover all the secrets to successful rose plant gardening. Section 4. Quick and easy gardening crafts. Are you ready to get your hands dirty and unleash your creativity in the garden? Brace yourself, because in this section, we're about to explore a journey of quick and easy gardening crafts that will elevate your outdoor space to new heights of beauty and charm. Now picture this. You're strolling through your garden, surrounded by vibrant blooms and lush greenery, when suddenly you stumble upon a delightful handmade creation that adds a touch of whimsy and personality to your garden. Intrigued? You should be. We're talking about 5-minute gardening crafts that require minimal time and effort, but yield maximum impact. From simple DIY projects to ingenious upcycling ideas, there's something for everyone to try. Let's dive into some examples of quick DIY projects for the garden. How about repurposing old tin cans into charming planters? Or creating a whimsical fairy garden using everyday items like pebbles, twigs, and miniature accessories? The possibilities are endless. But why bother with gardening crafts, you ask? Well, besides being a fun and creative way to spend time outdoors, these crafts can also enhance your garden's appearance and add a personal touch to your outdoor space. They're a fantastic way to express your individuality and make your garden truly unique. Now let's get down to business with a step-by-step guide for a selected craft project. We'll walk you through the process, from gathering materials to putting the finishing touches on your masterpiece. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and transform your garden into a work of art. So, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get crafty, stick around. We're about to unveil some ingenious gardening crafts that will take your outdoor oasis to the next level. Final thoughts. Wow, what an incredible journey we've been on today. From discovering the wonders of vegetable gardening to exploring the enchanting world of roses, we've covered a lot of ground. But before we say goodbye, let's take a moment to recap the key points and reflect on the wonderful ideas we've shared. We started by discussing the benefits of growing your own vegetables at home and introduced you to some easy-to-grow varieties perfect for beginners. Then, we delved into the fascinating realm of modern gardening techniques, from vertical gardens to hydroponics, offering innovative solutions for small space gardening. Next, we indulged in the beauty of roses and learned why they're a great choice for home gardens. We shared tips for planting and caring for rose plants, as well as insights into different varieties and how to troubleshoot common issues. And finally, we got our creative juices flowing with some quick and easy gardening crafts that are sure to add a touch of whimsy and personality to your outdoor space. Now, it's time for you to roll up your sleeves and put these ideas into action. Whether you're starting your own vegetable garden, experimenting with modern gardening techniques, or getting crafty in the garden, we encourage you to try out these ideas and see the magic unfold. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And be sure to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, ideas, and experiences. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into even more exciting topics and share even more inspiring ideas to help you create the garden of your dreams. Until then, happy gardening!